hold to the false teaching that the will of man trumps God's will, and
No, neither Chris nor I believe that free will is a superpower. Okay, we don't believe that a flea or a molecule, if out from underneath God's control, meticulous divine control, could thwart God, because we don't think molecules are more powerful than God. We don't think men, puny little men, are sorry, I had to throw that in. Puny little men who are less than nothing can thwart God. Okay, so we don't believe that God can be trumped by man. We don't believe even Donald Trump could trump God. Okay, we believe God's actually bigger than Donald Trump. He's more powerful. And therefore, if Donald Trump did something that God didn't want him to do, God could stop him from doing it. And if you showed me an instance where Donald Trump tried to do something and God stopped him, that would not be invalidating free will. It would actually be establishing it, because what would God be stopping if not the free will of Donald Trump? And therefore, when you go through the scripture and you find all these verses, like the guys down in Houston did when we debated them, where God thwarts the will of a king from committing adultery, for example, and they use those as proof texts to say, see, no such thing as free will. Actually, what they've done is they've done our job for us, because they have demonstrated that God is thwarting the free will of men. Otherwise, you've got God thwarting his own determinations. And that makes no rational sense.